Hello everyone! This tutorial will guide you through the entire process from creating a multilingual cloned voice to generating voiceovers in other languages. So let's start. So from the home page, you have here voices. So click on that and you will see on the right side a button that says add a new voice. Click on that as well and a new window will appear. So here, you will be asked to enter a name for your voice. So for illustration purposes, I am going to put here Tin Multilingual. And then for the language, you have to select Multilingual. And then you will be asked to upload your audio files, which should be in WAV or MP3 format. And the maximum size should be 5 MB. Okay, so by the way, my audio files are in English, so just to show
So
you.
what do? You can remove the background yourself, but that takes time, skill, and the right software.
Okay, so after that, you have to tick the consent box and click on Add. Okay, so now it says here, voice cloned successfully. Okay, now we are ready to create voiceovers using the cloned voice that we have just created. To create voiceovers using your multilingual cloned voice, you need to use the advanced editor, which you can find at the bottom right part of the text box. And then to search for your voice, you can enter the name of the voice here. Let's say Tin Multilingual. Okay, and then click on the name. Or you can also click on Listen to More Voices, which you can see at the bottom. And then click on Custom. And then you can scroll down and look for your cloned voice. Or you can also search here for faster result. Okay, so click on the voice and click on Add. Okay, so now we are ready to create a voice over. But first, let me show you the voice settings on the right side panel. We do have here the old voice settings, which include speed, pause, and pitch, and the newly added ones are emotion and language boost and tone list. Okay, so I do have here a script and I'm going to use this for illustration purposes. Okay, so to use the speed, pause, and pitch, you just have to move the slider according to your preferred speed, pause, and pitch. So for example, I want, but first let me generate this voiceover.
This is a demo of the voice you have selected. Please make sure to click the Play Script button before you generate your video.
Okay, so if I want to add speed, let's say 1.5, and then pause for 3 seconds, and then adjust the pitch as well, then you can just move the slider and let's generate the voice over again.
This is a demo of the voice you have selected.
Please make sure to click the Play Script button before you generate your video.
Okay, so as you can see, I adjusted the speed, pause, and pitch for the first sentence while I retain the original settings for the second sentence. Okay, now let's try the new settings. So we do have here emotion, and we have here several options that you can choose from. We have happy, sad, angry, fearful, disgusted, surprised, and neutral. So for illustration purposes, let's say I want to use the happy emotion. So you need to select the emotion per sentence, the same as on the other voice settings. If you want it to be done for all sentences, then you need to do it per sentence. So I am going to generate now the voiceover.
This is a demo of the voice you have selected. Please make sure to click the play script button before you generate your video.
Okay, now let's try angry.
This is a demo of the voice you have selected. Please make sure to click the play script button before you generate your video.
Okay, so that's it. Now let's try the language boost, which is the one of the exciting features of this multilingual voice cloning. So I do have here an English script, and I am going to add another one using French language and another one for Spanish using the same multilingual clone voice that we have just created. Okay, so for French, then I will have to select French for the language boost. And then for Spanish, I will have to select Spanish. Okay, so the language booster boosts fluency, reinforces vocabulary, and adapts to native accents for a more immersive experience. Now let's generate the voiceover.
This is a demo of the voice you have selected. Please make sure to click the play script button before you generate your video. Ceci est une démonstration de la voix que vous avez sélectionnée. Assurez-vous de cliquer sur le bouton Lire le script avant de générer votre vidéo. Esta es una demostración de la voz que seleccionaste. Asegúrate de hacer clic en el botón Reproducir guión antes de generar el video.
Okay, so as you can see, we only have one voice, but we're able to use it on different languages. So that is how the language boost is used. Now you can see here tone list. So if you have, let's say for example, a word that is pronounced off, then you can put it here with this format, and it will be pronounced according to the pronunciation that you have entered. Okay, so for example, let's say Synthesys. So click on this pen icon here, and then put the word and then the phonetics and click on Save. Okay, once you have saved it, you have to generate the voiceover with the script that has this word, and it will be pronounced according to the phonetics that you have just entered. Okay, so I hope this helps. Thank you.